other guests present, ladies.
Kigezi College Butobere, a once gallant academic giant in Kigezi, is now struggling with a high debt burden and low student enrollment.
We are threatened by a big debt burden. SAF has done its best to bail out the school, but the struggle continues. At this time, I kindly request for a combined effort to look at the possibility of waiving off this debt.
The newly appointed chairperson Board of Governors Moses Studio Murijindo said that their main focus for the next 3 years is to put right what has gone wrong in the school.
The government has given us a grant of 5 billion to rehabilitate the school infrastructure, and we believe that that will go a long way in solving some of the image challenges we have been having, the school learners' environment not being good. Second, we also want to tackle the issue of discipline and academic excellence in our school, and also ensure that we have improved enrollment. We also promise to, among our key other items on our agenda, to engage stakeholders, engage the parents, engage the OBs to bring the children to this school. We believe in the next 3 years, Siniya will be different from the way it is now. The question of enrollment, the question of discipline, the question of academic excellence will change.
Elvis Twenda, the chairperson for the school's alumni forum, said that as all students of the once mighty school, they will do all they can to restore the glory of the school.
That senior spirit, whereby we feel, okay, our school is not doing well right now. It has challenges, enrollment is not up to where we left it. It has bad publicity, it has discipline they talk about. So believe me, we need to bring back our senior spirit. Come together, pull resources where need be, pull ideas which are the most important, and then we push for the glory of our school.
State Minister for Finance in charge of general duties, Henry Musasizi, a former student of the school, confirmed the availability of 3 billion shillings disbursed by government for the school's renovation.
My staff will be on this money. Our staff will have a fully fledged system as a ministry, which follows money from wherever we send it to what it has done, whether it has reached what it has, even the procurement, I'm the one who manages, by the way, for your information. I have mechanisms of seeing what will be going on this money. What I want to ask you is speed. We shall not keep telling people to very receive 5 billion. We want to see 5 billion working. Yes.